Repair broken pipes and broken hearts with the Clean Ream Extreme by Ream Manufacturing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now this here is the 1-inch version, and I'm impressed. The craftsmanship gets an A+. It's machined beautifully, and it just feels like quality in my hands. Now you can see right here, there's a set screw holding this shaft in place. And right here is the cutter, which is going to shave away the unwanted pipe material. Before using it, I dropped it in this 1-inch ball valve just to check the tolerance, and it just boosted my confidence that this was going to work out nicely. So let's say you have a broken pipe right next to a fitting, kind of like this, but you can't access the pipe behind it. What you would want to do is cut the pipe nice and flush with the fitting. And then you're ready to use the reamer. And for this process, there are a few techniques that I would recommend. It's going to get warm, so keep some water nearby and dip the tool in the water to cool it off, because we want to shave away pipe material. We do not want to melt any plastic. Use a low drill speed. Take your time. Pause every once in a while to pull out the shavings. And don't use too much pressure. The tool's going to work for you, but use some light pressure. Now you're about to see when I zoom in that we're not left with a nice, smooth surface. There are some grooves left behind, and for that reason, we're going to want to use a heavy-bodied PVC cement to fill in those gaps. And I'll show you what I use in just a minute. But it does feel like a nice tight fit. Now, does it work in the real world? Well, let's take a look. So here is a pond, and you can see right here my dilemma. I have this broken pipe, and I can't really access anywhere to put in a new coupling. So I've decided to cut in between these two fittings, flush just like that. And then I did some extreme reaming. Boom. And here's my new joint, holding 60 psi, no problem. Now, Ream does state that this is not intended to be used on pressurized systems, but if you take the following steps, I think you'll be fine. Chamfer and deburr the pipe. Make sure you use a cleaner, followed by a primer, followed by a heavy-bodied PVC cement like this one here. This is going to help fill in the gaps left behind by the reamer. I give it 5 stars, guys. Tell me, what do you think? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.